Have you ever wondered why cats do such strange things that seem to have no explanation? From their mysterious purr to their bizarre fear of cucumbers, every detail hides a fascinating reason. Today, you'll discover secrets even the most experienced cat owners don't know, and some of them will truly surprise you. Have you noticed that no matter how much they meow, purr, or even growl, cats never roar like lions? That absence of a roar isn't random. It's one of the biggest differences between domestic cats and their giant cousins. And the reason is hidden in a tiny but powerful bone called the hyoid. This bone, located in the throat, is crucial for sound production. In big cats like lions and tigers, part of it is flexible cartilage, allowing deep vibrations that produce a roar. In domestic cats, the hyoid is completely rigid, limiting their sounds to meows, purrs, and softer vocalizations. In short, that tiny structural difference is what separates a lion's roar from your kitty's gentle purr. But if they can't roar, do other wild instincts still remain? You'll be surprised to learn how something as simple as eating grass can reveal a lot about their feline heritage. Ever catch your cat nibbling on grass and thought, "What on earth is he doing?" Strange for a carnivore, right? But this behavior is far more common and meaningful than you think. Researchers believe grass helps relieve stomach discomfort, expel hairballs, and even fight parasites. And here's the fascinating part. It's not just house cats. Lions and tigers have also been spotted chewing on green leaves. Amazing, isn't it? But that's not the only habit passed down from the big cats. Next up is an instinct you probably see at home every single day: scratching. Have you ever wondered why cats seem obsessed with scratching? Sofas, chairs, doors, nothing is safe. But this habit is way more instinctive than you think. Scratching helps cats shed old claw layers, keeping their nails sharp and healthy. It's also a way to mark territory, both visually and through scent glands in their paws. Lions and tigers do the exact same thing, only on trees instead of furniture. And if scratching is pure wild instinct, the next behavior is much softer and absolutely heart-melting: kneading. Ever seen your cat pressing its paws into you like it's kneading dough? This adorable gesture actually says a lot about their emotions. The habit begins in kittenhood, when they knead their mother's belly to stimulate milk flow. As adults, cats repeat the gesture when they feel calm, safe, and happy. It's their way of saying, "I'm comfortable here." Cute, right? But feline affection isn't just in the paws. Their rough little tongue also plays a role. If you've ever been licked by a cat, you know their tongue feels like sandpaper. But that's not by chance. It's evolution at work. Those tiny spine-shaped papillae are perfect for grooming fur and even removing parasites. But licking is also a sign of affection, a way of bonding with other cats and with you. And while licking is sweet, the next feline mystery takes things to another level: the enigma of purring. Did you know that cats who purr don't roar, and those who roar don't purr? That's one of the great mysteries of the feline world. Purring happens through contractions of the larynx and diaphragm. It can signal happiness and relaxation, but also fear or a call for help. The meaning depends entirely on the context. It's the secret language of cats. And if purring already sounds fascinating, wait until you meet the plant that can make even lions roll around in bliss. Ever seen a cat rolling around, drooling, and acting completely wild? Chances are catnip was involved. This plant releases a compound called nepentolactone, which triggers temporary euphoria in many cats. They rub, roll, and then collapse into deep relaxation. And yes, even lions and tigers can't resist it. Fun, right? But not every cat behavior's a party. Some have a deep-rooted fear, especially when it comes to water. Ever tried to bathe your cat and walked away covered in scratches? There's a reason for that. When their fur gets wet, it becomes heavy, slowing them down and making them feel vulnerable. Water also washes away their natural scent, which they use to mark territory. That's why most cats hate it. But, of course, there are exceptions. Breeds like the Maine Coon actually love playing in water. And if water already sparks resistance, imagine what happens when you try to touch their belly. A cat's belly is one of its most vulnerable areas, protecting all its vital organs. Trying to pet it often triggers an instant defensive reaction. When a cat shows its belly, it's usually not an invitation for petting, but rather a sign of trust. If your cat lets you touch its tummy, consider it a rare privilege. But speaking of strange reactions, why do so many cats freak out at the sight of cucumbers? You've probably seen those viral videos where cats jump in fear after spotting a cucumber behind them. It's not magic, it's pure survival instinct. When surprised, cats may mistake the cucumber for a snake, one of their natural predators. That's why the reaction is so extreme. And since we're on the topic of surprises, let's end with something every cat absolutely loves: cardboard boxes. Every cat owner knows you can buy the most expensive toy, but what your cat really wants is the box it came in. Boxes provide security, warmth, and even scratching and chewing fun. They're basically a portable playground. No wonder cats love the packaging more than the gift inside. Cats may seem full of odd habits, but every behavior reveals a glimpse into their history and instincts. So now I want to know, which of these feline curiosities surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next feline secrets we reveal.